Today I am going to show you how to install Node version manager, which is known as NVM. In order to install Node version manager, I prefer Homebrew. Just copy the command brew install nvm and then paste it in your terminal. It will install nvm. So I have already installed nvm. So it is already installed on my machine. So after installing nvm, you will need to copy the path. So I am using this one. So you can see I have already installed it and I have already add the path here, and you will just need to copy the path from here and you'll need to paste it here. So after pasting it, you will just need to hit Ctrl S and then Ctrl X to close it. So after installing, after adding the path here, you will be able to see NVM. So let's see what happens if I say NVM version. In your case, if it does not work, you will need to restart your terminal. You can see 0.39.5 version is installed. So I have already installed it, and also I have installed Node.js using NVM. So let's see how many Node.js versions are installed here. Here you can see I have already installed 16, 18 and 20. So if I say node version, it will show I have only installed 20, because I have installed Node.js separately in my machine, and using NVM I have installed version 16 and version 18. So in order to use version 18 and version 16, we will just need to use NVM use 16. If I say NVM use 16, it will redirect it to 16. So let's see what happens if I say node version. Now it is selected 16. So if I run any command, it will run on 16. So I am switching it to 20. Let me switch it to 20. And let me show you how you can use 16 as 16 in your project without changing any version using Node NVM use. Here I have a project which was created using Node.js version 16, and it is not compatible with Node.js 18 or 20. So let me show you. If I say node, you can see the version is 20. So if I run the command npm run serve, you can see it is running. It was start to run, but at some point it has been stuck, and it is showing that our install version is 20. So basically the file I have created, or the project I have created, it is compatible with Node.js version 16. I can remember it. because I was created this file, it was Node.js version 16. So in order to use different version of Node.js to get up to date, we'll need to use the latest version of Node.js. At the same time, we don't want to lose the previous version or previous project. In this point, we will need to use NVM. So if I say NVM use 16 and then and npm run serve. So using this command, I can use the Node.js version 16 only for this project in this terminal. If I change my terminal, it will show Node.js version 20. So let me show you what happened if I hit return or enter. You can see the project is successfully compiled and it is running in server localhost. You can see this code is running here. So if I say Node.js version, you can see the version is 20, but this version is not 20 here. The project is running at version 16. I hope you will use this Node version manager to use different version of Node.js. If you see this video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and consider subscription. Thank you.